Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're liking my videos. And actually I was waiting for the kabari wala, you must be wondering why. My house is filled with bottles now. Empty sauce bottle, jar bottle, pickle bottle and other bottles. And suddenly as I was waiting, my kabari wala calls me up and said, "Madam, I cannot come." I said, "Why?" He said, "Madam, my wife has said, पहले घर का सब काम करके झाड़ू पोछा कटका सब everything you have to do and then only you can go out. So madam, I cannot come today." I was like, oh God, what do I do now? So it leaves me with no other choice but to recycle my bottle myself. So let's get going and do some painting and recycling. Let's go. So I hope you've liked the video and you'll also do some recycling of your own bottles and all. So do post me pictures of the ones that you've done. See you in my next video. Bye bye. And oops, sorry. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.